Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy named Yakov Karni. That's right. So what's up guys? So today we're going to talk about a topic that I'm going to share to you guys. So we're making a video about me going to Hot Topic, and my grandfather and me were walking around and we saw Hot Topic and Spencer. That's like two stores that I like to go to because Spencer has everything also, but Hot Topic has necklace and stuff like that, and I like it. And I want to show you guys everything what I got. But the first thing I want to show you guys is like, look at this really cool hat that I got from Hot Topic. And like, what I like about it is like it has like big ears, and it's like, look at this. This is cute, and I really love it a lot. And I hope you guys like it. Give me your comments below about this if you want to get it. I'll link you also if you want that or not, whatever. So back to the video. So I want to show you guys what I got. Inside the bag, you're wondering, where in the hell did Yaku buy and Spencer's? And it's going to blow your mind. So this is Spencer's, the bag. Originally, Spencer was very popular in the 2000s, and it became differently now. And then we also got a Hot Topic that is a huge bag. And I thought I'm gonna get like a really small bag because I got like one t-shirt I have. They didn't have, like, Hot Topic became not Hot Topic anymore. They became, I don't know, more like annoying, boring. There's not even a chew stuff they used to have like in the 2000s. But doesn't really matter. That was in the past and that was the future. So before anything else, oh man, I messed up. My microphones fall down, my bad. Give me 1 second. I just fixed that. That's really messed. That's not even me usually. I don't do that usually. Okay, let me see. Oh, that's fixed. All right, guys, let's go to it. First thing I want to show you guys is I got a really, if you guys, I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is my favorite band. Sorry for the tag. This is my favorite song and my favorite band also. They have really good songs. They also were very popular in the 90s. And then we also got a, I don't know if you guys know this band, but I really love this band a lot. And it's really one of my favorite playlists. I play in my playlist a lot, and it's my favorite band. But it has nothing in the back, so that's something I don't like about it, about Spencer's. So, and then I also want to show you guys what I got also. Oh, I love this band. Come on. Don't want to be American Idiot? Come on. You don't want to be American Idiot. So we got this t-shirt that I got from Spencer. And I got a large one because like usually when I use medium on Hot Topic or Spencer's, they always shrink. So thank you, Spencer, for this free t-shirt that you guys let me have. So if you guys want to see Green Day, because they're coming in pretty soon where I live, and it's coming in 2025 in March. I think May or March, I don't know. But I'm excited for that. And then we also got another t-shirt we got, and everybody knows what this song is. Come on, this is a really good song also. They have a good song. They also have good, they're a very good band also. I also got a large, again, because they always shrink. But I don't know if you guys can see what I see. But I'm sorry for you guys. I'm really sorry. I got, I think it's Nickelly Back or something like that. I'm not sure. Sorry if my English, it's kind of terrible. So my apologies. And then we also got some gloves so you can like protect yourself, and we can go like RXD or wherever you call it. And we also got another one. I want to show you guys what I got. Really popular band from the 90s. This is Slipknot original songs for their first song ever. And look at the back. Yes, I got this. This is the original stuff from 2000. I think 2005. Yeah, this is 2005. My favorite band. My favorite. And yeah, that's about it. And I also got the hat. Again, I show you guys the hat. Really nice. I love it a lot. And I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to give me a big subscribers. And I'm going to make some more video pretty soon. And I hope you guys can pray for me that I can get 500 subscribers. That would be amazing for me. And I can get 3,000 watch hours. So I'm trying to push myself. So I don't know how to say goodbye because I'm kind of weird about goodbyes. But I guess. Bye.